Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Hitman World of Assassination Deluxe Edition on PC. First, open Google Chrome on your PC and search for Hitman World of Assassination Deluxe Edition. Now, click on the Steam link from the search results. This will take you directly to the game's official page on Steam. Here, you'll see the price, which is $29.97 for the Deluxe Edition. Take a moment to check the game details, system requirements, and any additional content included in the Deluxe Edition. Next, click on Add to Cart to start the purchase process. Once the game is added, click on View My Cart to review your order. Then, check the total price and make sure the correct edition is selected. Then, click Purchase for myself and follow the instructions to complete your payment. Once done, the game will be added to your Steam library. Click Install to download it to your PC. After downloading, launch the game and start playing. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.